here doing a little bit of cleanup from the power door swap. I just got back from the store about 2 hours ago. So I'm going to do a little video of just me going to the store, and just another reason why people telling me not to give this up. And I think I kind of seen the light today. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think of the video. But this is pretty much what I see on a daily basis whenever I go out to do whatever it is, whether it's grocery shopping or going to the gas station or just for a drive or out for dinner or to and from work, whatever. So I'm just going to do my best to start recording it now, and so stay tuned, and hope you guys like some of the footage of some of the cars and things that I see around. So stay tuned, and if you like the videos, I'll keep putting them up. Lots of mechanics videos coming up too, car shows, DIY stuff, little projects here and there, beautifying your car, detailing your car, tips and tricks on all sorts of stuff. Stay tuned. Oh, you don't see too many of these anymore. This one's kind of cool. It's got the red accents on the inside. It's in pretty good shape still. It's a 99 2000 Civic Special Edition DX hatch. Wow. Few dents in the roof. Cool. Still in pretty good shape. Still got the special badge on the back. Wow. That's mint.